Hey guys, welcome to this video.
Hey, welcome.
Yeah, I have a funny story to tell you or to share. Yeah, you've been maybe wondering why the video took us so long to do. And actually it didn't take us that long to do, but my hard drive gave up on me. And that's...
No, the story is much longer. Like first I went traveling, then we did the last video, then I got sick. Then I was traveling again. Then you got sick. Yeah. Then very long you were sick, I think. Then you were overstressed from work. Then we recorded the video actually. Then you lost it again with the hard drive. And so after a long time period, we finally managed to record this video. So apologies on our side, because it has been really, really insane, unlucky coincidence after coincidence. It's really unbelievable to me.
Yeah, we had the one part of you ready because I saved that on a different hard drive.
Yeah, I have it too.
My part was missing, and so we could have done just a video
like a ghost, like you're not speaking or something.
Yeah, and I considered to try to react to it, because we didn't only do the goodbye video, but also the video about the remote work. And I mean, the spot. You're missing out.
It's good,
but we will do something. We'll come up with something which maybe we will show. You have enough footage from your trip, so we can just blend that in together.
So thanks for tuning in
for a new video.
This is the last video of the Python course from last year. Actually, we just wanted to reminisce a bit about the course and a bit how we felt about it. I must say it was a lot of fun. And I really appreciate it, especially Manu, that you kind of took on the junior role, which takes a lot of courage, because it kind of like showing yourself publicly in that sense. I think not many people would do that so easily, and I really encourage people take that spirit too. You know, there's nothing to be ashamed of. And this really, I mean, alone this would have been so boring if I would just blabber. But having someone on the side of the scholar is really, really a good thing. Like I really loved it that we could do this together, and especially was a great joy with you together. I must really say that.
Thank you for that, and also thanks for that you just took on the course and your patience with me, because I deserved it more than once. But but yeah, so actually the spirit that you were talking about, I think to me it's just normal, but I'm aware that it is not so common to just to be just weak sometimes and just show that you have weaknesses. But on the other side, I think that's the only true path to learning, because we are all beginners in some sense or not. And so
also me.
If you just
like everybody. I had an interview not too long ago. I was stomped into the ground, man.
So it happens to the best of us,
it happens to everyone. It's so easy not to know something, because it's so big, the knowledge, it's unattainable for a single person. So you will never have it all. Never.
Yeah, and so why hide it? I mean, I can understand why some people try to hide it, but on the other side, you're missing out on so many good learning opportunities if you just don't show that you don't know it. Because if you just appear to know it all, nobody will explain it to you. I mean, I have this famous quote in the back of my head, which I think is related to Steve Jobs or so. He always tried to ask dumb questions, because if he just kept on doing that for a certain time, he was no longer dumb, because everybody explained it to him, and so he got the knowledge on very fast. And I think that's maybe also a thing to take on.
I still wouldn't have worked for him.
He wasn't. I think, but I mean,
another thing maybe also, like the course was not perfect in many ways, but we blabbered about a lot. but we enjoyed it, I guess, a bit too much. Maybe we could have streamlined things a bit more, and we could streamline maybe also the tea experience a bit. Let's see next time if we do something like this, or in the next projects coming up. So we know we didn't exactly make the perfect format or something, but sometimes you need to have also. For us, it's also about having fun. We want to have fun doing this. It's not like we do this for fame or whatever. Like, you don't do it for that. You do stuff because you really just want to do it, because it's a lot of fun doing it. And this is just that you know a bit where this was coming from. But we are aware of it, that we could have streamlined things a lot better. Like, if I would do a paid course for people or something, I would definitely not keep it entirely in the spirit, but the heart needs to always be fun. Without fun, toss it away. Like, it's not worth anything.
Yeah. You don't learn it also without fun. So yeah, a little bit of a playful spirit in this sense. I think that's the way to go. But yeah, maybe in the future we will do maybe a more streamlined course.
Maybe a different language. Topics. Let's see.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'm eager to learn the Rust, but as much as I'm eager, I'm also afraid, because it's just, oh man.
No reason to be afraid. Like, you endured me, the Rust compiler is not much worse.
Okay.
But yeah, it's a steep curve. Let's see.
You have to make it through the compiler, and then it's okay.
In case any one of you is interested in some topics, write it down in the comment section.
Yeah.
We don't expect anything coming up soon, because for the moment, lots of changes take a bit place in Manu's life and mine. So we are not starting a new, bigger project yet, but we are collecting material. So in the future, then we can do another setting. So we are also, of course, always welcoming then what people would like to see, and turn it into a format that we both have joy to, and then it's a good mixture for all of us, that everyone who's participating in it has fun. So yeah. And also, you can still do the course. Just do it whenever you want. The code and everything is still out there. And just write on Discord in case you have questions, or you want to have a PR review or something like it. Like, we're around. We don't always have directly time, but within a few days, if you have that patience, we usually get stuff done.
Yeah. So if you want to get smacked into the face with a code review, you can. Yeah. It's gonna be fine. But we will keep it open. I think that's a good way to go forward. And we will also announce future projects on there. So
we have a few fun ideas. Maybe not a course next time, but there is some stuff lingering for a while.
Yeah. There's always something to do there. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys.
Then thank you very much.
Happy tea drinking. And see you guys soon on the Discord server or here on YouTube.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.